Hi everyone, my name is Cody, and in this video we're going to talk about how to save your design elements inside the Choose a Website Builder in Builderall. So on the home page, I'm going to go to the Website Builder, click Enter, and click New Site. That's kind of fast. I'm going to do it for you again. Go Create Site, choose a template, and we're going to click over here on Choose a Blank Template, select this, and save. All right. Now what we want to do now is go ahead and skip the tour, edit page, all right, now you can see here we have our dummy text, and this is our text box. You can see when you click it, it says text. Outside of that is our box, container box, and that contains our text. And outside of that is the panel. So we're going to move this down a little bit. Now what we want to do is we want to create a simple box or image, and then we want to save it for next time. Maybe you want to save it and use it on a different website, or maybe use it later on in the design of the website. So I'm going to click this text box and click Delete. Yes, delete. All right, and we're left with this box left. So I want to delete that too. I want to show you how to do this from scratch. All right, now this just tells you, good job. You can drag anything here. This isn't actually an element, so it's just there until you place an element inside the panel. Let's go into the panel as well. All right. Now when we come over our drop down, our side menu, we can add, settings, and personal. And as you can see, you can choose between a panel or an element. So panels, you can click that and then click panels again. These are all the ones I have saved myself. Under elements, you'll be able to see the text that I saved, the boxes that I saved, the buttons, and the images. So here are my texts that I saved, boxes, buttons, and images. And as you add more items to be saved, more will show up here, more categories. So first of all, let's just add a simple panel. Let's go to Add over here. Click Panels. And let's do a blank panel for now. Click that. Now when you add a new panel, dummy text will appear. So this is actual text. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete that. And what we want to do is let's say we want an image. So go down to Add, Elements, scroll all the way down to Image. And we're going to choose, let's choose a, shadow. Go ahead and drag it. There we go. Going to make that bigger. And when we click inside the image, or any element, you'll see this top row here. At the top is, we want to save the element, and we'll do that in a second. There's Edit. You can layer, so if something's above or below, like a button, you want a button on top, you put that above. Over here is Center Element, so when we click that, it centers the element inside the panel. Here you can add a link, so you can click this, and you can just choose where you want this to go. You can click the paste in a URL, and then you can have it open in a new tab. Here you can clone the element, so when you click this, it's going to clone it. So let's go ahead and do that. I kind of like that design. We're going to make this panel bigger, longer, so we click the panel. Go down to the blue circle, drag it down, where we have more room. Okay, I just want to stagger these a little bit. And then we have our hide element. And what that does is if we hide it, you're not going to be able to see it right here. Let's go to our mobile view. But as you see on the mobile view, you can see it. So we've just hit it on the desktop view. Okay. So we can also hide this one, and that hides us on the mobile view. So let's go ahead and click this. Go up to the eye, and we want this back, so we're going to click this, and click the eye, and now we have it back. So let's go ahead and place some random images in here. We're going to click on the image, click Edit, go over to General Settings, go ahead and Change Image, and let's see. Let's go ahead and place this one here. Okay. Let's go ahead and click this one. Change image over here. Change to this one. And save. Okay, we're going to change the background of this to match. Edit. Go down to the background settings. Change it to white. There we go. Now it looks funky because, as you can see, the boxes have an outline. So what we can do here is we can click on the side panel over here where it says border. Up here. We want it to 0. We want to change this to none. As you can see, we have still a white border, and this is just for demonstration purposes. So I don't want to waste your time. So let's just go ahead and place this right here. Again, this looks pretty bad, so you wouldn't want to do this. Make sure you design it well first. And what we're going to do is we're going to just click the panel. Click over here to the Save Element. We're going to name this. So 3D box. Oops. Boxes panel. We're going to save that. Okay. We're going to pop out our menu. Go to Personal. And since it is a panel, we're going to go to Panel. Click Panels. And here we are. So 3D box panel. If we click on our panel right here, and we go back to Personal, when we click the plus button on our panel, it'll save it underneath it. So whatever you have clicked, whatever panel you have active, when you add a new panel, it'll be underneath. So that's how you save an element. You can do this with text, images, whole panels, pretty much anything you want to. And you can save it for your website to add it further down, or you can even save it for a website, another website. It is connected to your whole account. So that's all for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll have a link down in the description. Take care. Have a great day.